Welcome back to the Gold Bullion Company's YouTube channel. Step into the world of pure imagination with the new Willy Wonka 5-gram fine gold bar, licensed by Warner Brothers and manufactured by PAMP Suisse. Fans of Roald Dahl's timeless classic Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory will delight over these shiny gold tributes to legendary candy maker Willy Wonka. Struck from 999.9 pure gold, each bar measures 13.1 by 22.1 millimeters and features the lettering that reads Wonka Golden Ticket stamped into the shimmering precious metal surface. Only 3,000 of these exclusive bars exist worldwide, making them even more special for serious collectors and Roald Dahl fans. The bar comes encased inside a vivid, custom assay card bearing the Wonka brand, along with a charming themed sleeve so you can present these conversation-starting gold mementos in style. Explore our website for more in-depth insights and to secure this Willy Wonka 5-gram fine gold bar. For regular updates, subscribe to our channel and join us as we navigate the fascinating realm of gold bullion.